In this video, I will show how to fix Insert tab is not showing in Microsoft Word. So guys, as we can see in this tabs ribbon, we are not able to see the Insert tab. So to fix this problem, you can apply this setting. Click on File. Then here click on Options. Click on Customize ribbon. And customize the ribbon. Select all tabs. Now in this list, you have to find out Insert tab, this one. Select it, then click on OK. So this way you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.